Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation to the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on the system navigation. And because I've got the gestures set, they are applied. However, if you've got the buttons, just a quick disclaimer, you will be able to customize them here. So for example, reorder the back button and the recents. So in order to set the gestures, we have to tap on this option, and your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial. Of course you can. I don't want to do it. I will also explain how to use the gestures. As you can see, the 3 buttons will immediately disappear. Usually you will have this line, which is responsible for some gestures. You can hide it if you want to. Here you can also customize the gestures, change the sensitivity to back gesture, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will decide whether you really need to change it or not. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center. We can see this arrow, so we can release the finger and we just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. However, make sure that this gesture will be short and quick, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, however, elongate it. So do not do something like that, but something like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.